right, this is lesson 10.7. We are now on page 453, elapsed time. And so we're going to learn about, the objective of this lesson is we will convert units of time to solve elapsed time problems. So we will convert, and that's the objective. We will convert units of time to solve elapsed time problems. Okay, so let's go ahead and unlock this problem. You can pause it to finish writing. And the problem states, ready? Read it with me. Begin. A computer company claims its laptop has a battery that lasts 4 hours. The laptop actually ran for 200 minutes before the battery ran out. Did the battery last 4 hours? So, we need to find if the battery lasted 4 hours. So I read the problem. I need to highlight that they claim it will last 4 hours and it ran for 200 minutes. And now we want to answer the question, did the battery last 4 hours? That's the question we're trying to answer. So, first of all, we need to remember that 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes, right? There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And then let's just go ahead and review. There's other units that you need to know. For example, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, so 60 minutes in 1 hour, 24 hours in 1 day, and then there's 7 days in 1 week, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 7 days in 1 week. There are 52. Now, this is the ones that you might not know very well. You have to learn it. Sorry. 52 weeks in 1 year. There are 12 months in 1 year and 365 days in 1 year. Okay, so 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Think. The minute hand moves from one number to the next in 5 minutes. So if you look at your clock, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 minutes. And then we go around 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So that's 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, so we're going to convert the 200 minutes to hours and minutes. And our first step is to convert minutes into hours and minutes. So we have 200, and we need to find how many hours is that and how many minutes. Well, how are we going to solve that? Well, we need to write our total minutes, which is 200. And I'm going from minutes to hours. So this is smaller. This is small. We're going from small to large. Okay, because we're going from minutes to hours. And hours is bigger than minutes. So I'm going from small to large. So remember, when I'm going from small to large, I am going to divide. So in this case, I'm going to have to divide. 1 minute, please. Okay, so in this case, because I'm going from small to large, I am going to divide. And I'm going to divide the number of minutes in 1 hour. And we know that it's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So, when I divide 200 divided by 60, how many times does 60 fit into 200? Well, I can't make it fit into 20, so I'm going to have to go right into 200. So you can write your multiples of 60. So just double it. So 6 times 2 is 12. So double 60 is 120. Then after 120 is 180. And that is pretty close to 200. So I can go 1, 2, 3. 3 times 60 is 180. Then I need to subtract. So 20 minus 18 equals 2. So that's 20 minutes left over. So I have 3 hours and 20 minutes. Now, is that, we're going to compare it to the 4 hours that the company said the laptop's battery was going to last. So 3 hours and 20 minutes, is that greater than, equal, or less than 4 hours? In this case, we know that it's less than 4 hours. Since 3 hours and 20 minutes is less than 4 hours, the battery did not last as the computer company claims. Okay, now it's your try to convert elapsed time on Think Central.